Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Sudharma Hydroponics in India. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to instantly receive notifications when we upload a video. Also, please share this channel link to those who are new to hydroponics and are confused about how to begin with. In our channel, in particular in this video series, we will be looking into everything related to hydroponics in detail and what are the major aspects of hydroponics in India and its subcontinent, as more or less the climatic and geographic conditions remain same, so it can be applied to those countries falling under the same region. Let's begin. We will be mainly learning about basics 1H and 5W of hydroponics, that is how, where, which, why, what and when elements of hydroponics, types of hydroponic systems, to know which system to use for which vegetables, and at last how to build your own system with all the necessary cost elements involved in it. So these are all the inputs I will be providing from my side towards these tutorial videos, and then you will be able to know the basic science involved in hydroponics and how to use the same value set up a system, material standards, that is which is the appropriate material to use for hydroponic farming, and at last the E&D of any production system, that is ergonomics and economics. The main issue I hear from new commercial growers who want to set a new system and they want to know where and how the hydroponic system elements can be used, which can create a good potential market, and how it can be made into a profitable business in long run, which will be also discussed briefly in this series. Also, do not fall for any fraudsters online or offline. Since in this period of rising demand for hydroponic technology and kits, many fraudsters have emerged in this field who claim themselves as a crop scientist or a professional agronomist and mold their customers into such a way that they make you understand nothing by confusing you with some illogical words. Always question yourself with science and logic, and don't burn a hole in your pocket. Always ask for the complete list of materials from the vendor which they will supply you for the installation of the system, including the brand of certain things like seeds, pumps, drip systems, etc. And also the grades of materials like PVC, polythene, coco peat, etc., whether they come under the category of food grade or not. Always survey for the list of materials in the market like drip systems, PVC pipes, which usually cost more and needs to be checked with the external market to check whether your vendor is maintaining the transparency in pricing or not. On the closing note, let's do a very simple activity. List down everything that comes on your mind when you think about hydroponics as a beginner and mention those in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Have a great day.